Hi, GB. So GB bought new. What is this, GB? Oh no, we bought new washi and he just dropped it on the floor. And I dropped my bag as well. Come on, GB, pick it up. Let's take it home. So let's open this. Let's have a look. Ooh, it makes sounds.
We opened it.
Ooh.
And it opens, see? And we put some little bit of clothes.
What's inside? Let's see, GB. Ooh. You know how to turn it on? Put some powder in this. Let's put some powder in this. Come on. It's on. The light is on.
You should check it now.
Okay, let's close it.
And there's a button that you can press and makes the sound.
Let's close it. Let's turn it on now. Is it closed? Yes. I think I have to turn this on.
No, you have to press one of the buttons.
Oh, it has batteries. Yes, it already has batteries. Does it spin?
Yeah, but when the batteries went out, then we can put more batteries.
Wow.
And inside of the machine, there's...
Ooh, clothes are done. Let's open it.
There's a little rainbow balls inside.
Wow. GB, you like it? Yes? GB, you like it? GB loves it. Okay, let's turn it back on. Close it. So we're going to put white tissue inside
Yeah, for a
and
test out.
test out, yes? Okay, let's close it. Is it closed?
Close, yeah. No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is.
No, it's not closed.
How do you close it?
That's it. Yay! Show me.
Now the white tissue is rolling around the tissue. What? No, not mine. Now the tissue is rolling around and around and around.
Yes, nice.
Let's
Oh, it's washed. Let's
Wow, the
see.
tissue looks very different.
Very clean. Let's see. Oh, it's
Tissue
clean.
looks very different. Good.
Are you gonna put it again?
Put it in. Let's put it in, and then now.
Let GB.
Look.
Okay, you have to push it harder, and then press that button. Now you turned it off, darling. Let's turn it on.
Make you
That's it. It's on again.
swish. Mom.
Are you happy? Yes. So Zaina wants to test out her doll clothes, yes? GB, let's wash Zaina's doll clothes.
Test it out.
Let's test it out.
Put it in.
Let's put it in.
Wow.
Good boy. Now let's turn it on.
No, yeah, that button, that, and that.
Uh-oh. I think
Should
it's
we
too
turn
big.
it off?
Yeah, I think so. It's not turning on.
Oh, should we put that doll
Let's pose
dress
it.
on?
I think it's too big.
Should we
This
put
cloth is too
a
big.
little tiny dress on?
I think we should stick with the tissue because it doesn't have space inside
Yeah.
for big cloth. Yes?
No,
Okay.
big tissue.
Let's turn it on. We don't want to break this, darling. Yay!
said bye. It's just. Mama, what is it? Mama,
Let me help you.
Mama, brush. Mama, brush.